covering West, Lampasas, and College Station. This is Fox 44 News at 9.
Welcome back. Well, in a loss for Texas today, the United States Supreme Court sided with the Biden administration on one of Texas's challenges to federal immigration policy. Texas and Louisiana sued U.S. over Homeland Security guidelines that prioritize which types of immigrants to deport. The high court ruling the states did not have standing in what justices called a, quote, extraordinarily unusual lawsuit. And as our Monica Madden reports, some legal experts say it will have broader implications than immigration policy.
In a win for the Biden administration, the United States Supreme Court finds the Department of Homeland Security does have authority in prioritizing deportations of some migrants over others.
Immigration policy is supposed to be the zenith of federal power, and it's supposed to be the zenith of executive power. And instead, we're creating a system where a combination of states and courts can bring immigration policy to a dead halt.
DHS policy emphasizes a focus on deporting terrorists, criminals, and people who crossed most recently, partially due to resources and manpower.
Texas and Louisiana argue that this was illegal, that the executive branch was not enforcing the laws properly, and they should have been performing more arrests and more detentions.
The Supreme Court finding Texas and Louisiana are not harmed enough by this policy to sue, noting during oral arguments last November that the court's role was limited on this matter.
Now, it's our job to say what the law is, not whether or not it can be possibly implemented or whether there are difficulties there. And I don't think we should change that responsibility just because Congress and the executive can't agree on something that's possible to address this problem.
Constitutional legal experts like Josh Blackman say the ruling is much broader than immigration.
What the court signals here, at least, is that states cannot sue for under-enforcement of the law, for the failure to enforce immigration laws. And I think it's actually a very big red flag that the strategy Texas has used in the past may not work in the future.